The night over Shiwan was quiet, except for the echoing hum of the wind that brushed the domes of shrines and the dust of centuries. Zahid sat by the candle in his small study, eyes fixed on an open book, but his heart far away. He had studied theology, philosophy, and Sufism from every possible book, yet peace avoided him like a shadow avoiding light. His father had died young, leaving him with two legacies, knowledge and doubt. That night, the candle flickered weakly. Zahid whispered to himself, "Books speak of Allah, but I do not feel Him. Words describe Ishq, but I cannot taste it." He stood and opened the window. From the distance came the faint melody of a qawwali from the shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar. Its rhythm stirred something deep inside him, a longing that was both pain and joy. The next morning, Zahid went out to the dusty lane that led to the shrine. People said a man lived near its edge, a fakir named Sain Rahim Shah, a Qalandri, whose eyes could pierce through souls. Zahid went with skepticism, not faith. When he reached, the Sain was sitting under an ancient neem tree, surrounded by pigeons. He was feeding them from his palm, whispering words of remembrance, "Ya Wadud, Ya Latif, Ya Nur." Zahid greeted him, "Assalamu alaikum." The Sain looked up with a smile that felt like sunlight through clouds. "Walaikum salam, Zahid," he said, though Zahid had not told him his name. Zahid hesitated. "You know me?" The Sain chuckled softly. "How can I not know a soul that Allah Himself keeps awake in the nights of confusion?" Zahid frowned. "I came to ask questions." The Sain said, "Ask, but remember, answers live in silence, not in speech." Zahid blanked. "Silence? I seek knowledge, not quiet." The Sain's smile widened. "Then you seek noise, not truth. When the hunter and the prey are both asleep, who will feed the hungry Sayyid Ghulam Haider Shah Qalandri?" Later that day, Zahid wandered the bazaar, lost in thought. He passed a small water stall where a woman stood serving travelers. Her name was Amara, daughter of a calligrapher. She was neither rich nor adorned, but there was sukoon, a peace in her eyes that Zahid had never known. When she offered him water, he noticed her hands, rough from labor, yet gentle. "Jazakallah," he said quietly. She smiled. For a thirst, there was water. For the soul, there is zikr. Zahid froze. "You speak like a Sufi." She laughed lightly. "No, I speak like one who listens." That night, Zahid returned to his books, but the words blurred. He closed them and whispered, "What is this peace that hides in silence, in smiles, in servants of water?" He dreamed of a desert that night, endless sand, a single lamp flickering in the distance, and a voice calling, "Come, seeker of knowledge. The lamp awaits you." The lamp cannot enlighten the sun, and the sun lights 1,000 lamps. Yet the lamp cannot be belittled. It too is an enemy of darkness. Zahid awoke before dawn trembling. He washed his face, prayed Fajr and whispered, "If knowledge cannot bring me light, perhaps the lamp can." He went again to the neem tree. Sain Rahim Shah was already there, smiling. "The lamp called you, didn't it?" Zahid fell to his knees. "Teach me, Sain. I am tired of knowing everything and understanding nothing." The old saint placed his hand on Zahid's head. "Then forget everything. The journey begins not with memory, but with surrender."